Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Porsche 911. Begin by sketching a simple rectangular box for the main body, then add a curved dome for the roofline. This initial framework helps establish the car's overall size and perspective. Remember to keep your lines very light at this stage, as they are just guides. We'll refine these shapes as we progress through the drawing process. Now, let's refine the body lines, paying close attention to the Porsche 911's sleek and aerodynamic profile. Gently curve the edges of your initial box to create the car's unique contours. Next, draw the prominent wheel arches, followed by the circular shapes for the wheels. Make sure the wheels appear grounded and correctly sized for the vehicle, giving it a realistic stance. With the main body in place, it's time to add the defining features. Carefully sketch the round headlights and the distinctive taillight bar. Outline the windows, ensuring they follow the roofline's curve. Don't forget the door seams and any subtle vents or grills. Finally, place the iconic Porsche crest on the hood, bringing your drawing to life with these crucial details. To give your Porsche 911 drawing a three-dimensional look, begin adding shading. Use darker tones in areas like under the car, within the wheel wells, and along shadowed body lines. Lighter shading can highlight reflective surfaces. This contrast will make your drawing pop. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.